the weight limit on a cheap ass engine stand? How much does a 402 block weigh? It's not loading. It's probably fine. Feels like it should hold. Whatever. It's on here. I'm gonna do some legitimate math though and see if this is gonna fall and destroy both my feet and probably my shins too. But in the meantime, boom. Guess who actually had this block prepped by a professional to be installed? This way, we can actually start doing this correctly. If you're new to the channel, this is the big block 402. I thought it was a 396. I bought a 69 GMC Longhorn. There are pictures of that and videos of that on my channel. But I got it home, rebuilt the quadrijet, got the secondaries to open, and as soon as they opened, they trashed all the main bearings. Upon further inspection, which you guys saw in the paperwork in the last video, you should go back and watch that if you want a little more, the crank looked like shit. And that's a quote from my machinist. It looked like shit. It looked like it had been like shot peened, but they didn't actually clean it or protect the mains when they shot peened it to strengthen it. So as soon as it saw a decent RPM, it was like, and it just defecated in the mattress, you know. So I had to pull the engine, take the front clip off, take the whole thing apart, sent it to the machinist, and I said, I want this truck to work. I want it to be dead nuts reliable. I want this thing to do exactly what it's supposed to do. Since I'm still working on building the Cutlass engine, which I switched off for this one because I had to order more bearings. I did the math wrong on the last set, and I'll show you guys that. All right, outers to 65. $20, $25. What the hell? That's not good. Something's fucked up. Shit. So if you're doing the math at home, that's 4 sets of bearings that I bought. I now have a stock of main bearings for small block Chevys and 1 set for big block Chevy because it was about 3 o'clock in the morning and I was so frustrated I was just flying through ordering some stuff. But I sent this to the machinist and I said, hey man, I need this to work. I need this to function. What can you do to essentially guarantee for me that I won't fuck this up, for lack of a better term? And he said, I can set it all up, mock up everything in the block, measure everything, and get all of the bearings the correct clearance and the connecting rod bearings, yeah, the mains and rods. So he dial bore gauged, he did it like the right way, not the way that I've been doing it. So yeah, now we got the block back. As you can see, the mains are in, the bearings are still in, and we're pretty much good to go. I'm gonna show you guys the little, just some evidence. See the little scratches on the mains there? They're not actually scratches. The lighting is way better on that one. They're not actually scratches. They're just little tiny little discolorations essentially from the dial bore gauge. So this should be correct. And I have all the parts for it. So let's pop these things off and get ready to install the crank. Unless I have to go to work, in which case you'll see me in a different outfit installing the crank. Hell yeah, let's do it. I'm excited. That's definitely this one right here. Oh yeah, it's a Harbor Fridge, 1,000 pounds. Okay, good enough for me. Let's Unsnap these motherfuckers. Yeah, that's pretty fucking good. That's way easier. Weird. I like how that sounded when it came out. Let's do this. Hell yeah. Okay, boom. There are plugs in, plug, plug. Okay. Plug in there. Boom, 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 boom. Well, that's good. Plug. Plug in the back. We're good to go. Let's install this rear main seal, lube these bearings, and then insert our shaft. It's gonna be hopefully it's not too tight, not too loose, you know what I'm saying? Wow, gross. Anyways, let's do it. Yes.
I know girls don't usually do this, but I was wondering if
Okay, let's do this rear main seal, lube some stuff up, slam in the crank, lube up everything else, bang-a-rang, torque the bolts. Alright, and then this extra lip right here, that goes into the crankshaft. It's the face of the seal. So we're gonna go right here. And then, ooh, shite. Just trying to push up, which is kind of odd, but oh yeah, this is real. This is happening. It's all about the form. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. Now we're spinning to see if there's any sort of galling or anything happening. Get a close up on some of these. So as you can see, we're spinning the crank. It looks perfectly smooth. Sliding good. I'm not seeing any scratching or anything going on. That's a very uniform. That seal did move a little bit. Okay. Boom, okay. It's only torqued to 20 foot-pounds, but that's spinning nice. And it's good that it's spinning nice because I forgot to lube the cam bearings. So I'm gonna use this EMT that is listed as camshaft break-in lube. And I'm gonna lube these mother frickin' cam bearings. This is gonna be a pain in the neck. Foot-pounds. Let's hear some clickety clack. I love the click type torque. I love the click type torque wrenches. Holy shit! The torque wrenches, the clickety clack type, because well, they just make good noises. I like it. So if you don't like it, shut up. So there you go. 95. Let's do this. Whew. My back pops too. I have a click type spine, so that's cool. Ooh. Bang. And 2. Bang. Crack. A lot of automatopoeia going on right now. Bang. Bang. Now, for the true test, oh, I'm so nervous. This is what I messed up on the other engine so much. Was there was no free spin because there was not enough bearing clearance. So, that's money, dude. Money in the bank. Shouty what you drank. Damn, I haven't listened to that in a long time. Anyways. Crankshaft is installed. Yes. 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 Okay. Man, my floor is uneven. So yes, we are indeed ready to do this. But because I want to start doing shorter videos, a little bit shorter, making sure that I have good content coming out on a regular basis, depending on how things go and how short these videos end up being, and if you guys actually like them, which, by the way, leave comments if you do or do not. I can make the videos longer, or I can go shorter and try and make 2 videos a week. So it's really up to you guys what you guys want. You just got to let me know, and that's what we're doing. That's the plan for now. So we're saving the pistons for the next video. I don't want to make this too drawn out. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. We are well on our way, thanks to the machinist. I have faith that this engine will be assembled and back in this truck right here. So that's the plan, guys. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think. Follow me on Instagram, KCP Baker. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.